Hello students, we're doing the 789. What is the equation of the line in point slope form that passes through the given points? Please use the first point given in your equation. Please use the first point given. So use the first point in your equation. Okay, the first point given, comma, in your equation. Okay, that makes sense now. Simplify your slope. All right, so we need to use the first coordinate points. There's my x coordinate, there's my y coordinate. So I can plug in the first and the last blanks right away. Remember, it's y minus the y coordinate. So if it's minus a -8, it's going to be plus 8. And if it's x minus x coordinate, it's going to be x minus 5. Make sure you include the operations in there with no spaces. All right. So again, my little trick is since the y goes first and the x goes second, they switch. See how they go in first and second, but then they switch. Okay, and if they switch, they also become opposite. So it's not only one thing to switch them, but you also have to make them opposite. All right, now we got to find slope. How do you find slope with two coordinate points? Easy. You do the loop-de-loop method. Here you go. Find the change in y over the change in x. This is the easiest, fastest way to find slope. Let's see here. How do we go from -8 to a +16? I think we added 24. Okay, how do you do it with a calculator? Just to be safe. It's early here. Coffee hasn't kicked in yet. New number minus the old number. That's a change of 24. All right, so the y change, we added 24. 24 for our y motion. That's another way to say it, y motion. 5 to 20, we added 15. Okay, so I'm not happy with that. We must simplify the slope. I think both of these can be divided by a triple. Change in y over change in x simplified is going to be an 8/5. Oh, drop it in right there. Here we go. 8/5. Type it just like that. No spaces needed. Simplify your slope, students. Change y over change in x, or the y motion over the x motion. That's another way to describe it as well. Trying to put some football terminology into this stuff. All right, that's about it. That is the 789 point slope form. Y minus the y coordinate equals the slope times x minus the x coordinate. Read the directions. Make sure you use the first coordinate point. Why? Because it's just the first one you see, and we don't want to have 1,000 different operations or possible outcomes in Schoology. So there you go. 789. All done.